Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here today and we are going to be making this adorable little bracelet by none other than guess who, my good friend and fellow loomer, Sleeplessloomer. This bracelet is called the Mini New Bahru bracelet. This is her new Loomy Loom hook only design. There's also going to be a version of this done on 2 pins if you would prefer to use that method. And if you do, you can go on over to Loves the Looms channel and check that out there. She has that tutorial. So this is the bracelet. You can use even a regular hook to make this one, so everyone should be able to make it. This was my favorite color combination that I made. You can also use multiple colors, many colors. I rotated between pink, green, yellow, and teal here. And then I also made one where I used 2 different background colors. So there's a lot of color possibilities here also. And I just think it's a really super cute and pretty cool design. So with all that being said, we can go ahead and get started. All you're going to need is a hook and then some bands. So today I'm going to use brown for my border, and then I'm going to use purple and white for my little flip bands. So to get started, you're going to want to choose your border color, and we're going to put a cap band on our hook. So just twist it on in the figure 8 shape like this. If you want to make it a little bit easier and keep the cap band out of your way, you can add a C-clip at the bottom. So I've added my C-clip there, or my easy clip. We're going to grab another border color and we're going to pull that through our entire cap band and just close that off. Grab another of your border color, and we're going to be pulling that through just the first band on our hook. So pull it through just the first band. You don't need to pick up anything, just close that one off as well. Now, so you have an idea of what we're going to be doing, we're going to be working with just these 2 bands here, and we're going to ignore this one. So now you need to grab the first color that you'd like to use for the little outer flipped bands. And I'm going to use purple. So we're going to take this band and we're going to be pulling it through the first 2 bands on our hook. So pull it through the first 2. We're going to pick both of these bands back up. Keep your finger there to hold it in place. And now we're going to close that off. Now it is not secured in there, so be careful. We're going to flip this outer band over the center. And now we're going to pinch that border band and pull it off of our hook. That drops that band down on the inside. And now just let your bracelet slide to the tip of your hook and use your finger to push this one over the tip of your hook. And now we're going to close that off. So we have just dropped those 2 bands down in the side, and those are our little flipped bands. So we're going to do that again. I'm going to use purple again. We're going to pull that through 2 bands. You're going to pick them both back up, and you're going to close that off. We're going to push this band over the one beside it into the center of those 2 bands. Reach down below, pinch your border band, and pull it your border band and let that band drop off your hook. Let your bracelet slide to the edge of your hook, and now we'll push this one over the tip. Close that off. And once you add your bands on, they will actually straighten themselves out. You don't have to do a lot to fix this bracelet, so that's also a big plus. Go ahead and grab your third and final outer band. We're going to do the same process. We're going to pull it through 2. We're going to pick both of those back up, and we're going to close it off. We're gonna push this one over into the center of those 2 bands. You're gonna pinch your border band, take it off the hook, and allow that one to drop down below. Slide your bracelet to the tip of your hook, and now we'll push this one over the edge. And then close that back up. That is actually our first little section is done. So from this point, we're going to keep repeating the same thing, and this is where you'll come back to repeat the pattern if you need to watch the steps over again. So the first step is going to be to slide it down to the other end of your hook, or you can flip it around, whichever is easiest for you. Step 1 is going to be to add a border band. We're going to pull that through everything on our hook, so all 3 of these bands, and close it off. Step 2 is going to be to add our next border band. We're going to pull it through just 1 and then close that back off. So now we're back to the point where we're going to add our little flip bands onto this side. We'll be ignoring this band. So go ahead and grab whatever color you want for that. I'm going to use white here. So again, we're going to take our flip band color and we're going to pull it through just those 2 bands. We're going to pick them both back up and we're going to close this off. Again, remember that band is loose, so be careful. Push this one over the top of the band beside it and pinch your border band. And we're going to pull our border band off of the hook, and it will also drop that one down in there. Let your bracelet slide to the tip of your hook, and then we'll push this one over the edge. Close that off. And now we're going to do that 2 more times. So grab your second band and repeat the same process, pulling it through 2. We're going to pick them both back up. We're going to close it off. Flip this band over top of the one beside it. Pinch your border band below and pull it off of the hook. I let mine slide to the tip, and then I push this over the edge. Close that back off. And now we'll add our third and final. Using the same process, just pulling it through 2, picking both of those back up. We're going to close it off. Flip this one over, the one beside it. Pinch your border band off below. Take it off of the hook. Slide your bracelet to the tip of your hook and push this one over the tip. Then we're going to close that back off. And we have finished our second little section there. So as you see, this pattern is super easy. You should pick up rather quickly. We'll do this one last time together. So again, we're at our next section. So let's slide it down and turn it around. Now I'll show you on this section another way that you can add your side bands if the other way seems like it's a little too complicated, or you just don't like how it is to add them on that way. But I found that that was the easiest way for me, and that is also the way that these little bands set the best, I think. So to restart our next segment, you're going to get a border band, and we're going to pull it through all the bands on our hook and close it off. Grab another of your border color, pull it through just one band, that outside band, and close that off. now we're ready to add our 3 little flipped bands. So I'm going to go back to purple, and here is another way that you can add these bands. So the alternate way is to pull this through 2 bands. You can pick up this first band, flip this one over the tip of your hook, and now you'll pick up the other side of that band, close this off, and now we're going to push this over into the center, and we can pinch our border band, pull it off the hook, and allow that one to drop down below. Replace your border band, and we will do it that way again. So we'll add our second band and pick up the one that's closest to you. We'll push this over the tip of our hook. Now we'll pick up this second border band, close it off. Now we'll push this one over top and pinch your border band, remove it, allow that one to drop off, and then close it back up. We're going to do that one more time. So pulling it through 2, we'll pick up our very first. Going to push this over the tip of the hook. We'll pick up the second border band that's inside there, close this off, push it over the center, and then we can pinch our border band off and allow that to drop down below. Replace your border band, and we have finished our third little section. So this is what it should look like at this point, and you would just keep continuing on in this method until the bracelet was long enough to fit around your wrist. Make sure during this process that you do not forget to slide it down between each section. When I first started making these, I kept forgetting to slide it down and turn it around, so if you do that, you'll have 2 on the same side and the bracelet won't look even. So you can definitely tell if you forget to flip it, so just keep that in mind. And so I'm going to continue on and make this long enough to fit around my wrist, and I'll meet you back here and we can close it up. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have made this long enough to fit around my wrist. In order to close this off, all you're going to need to do is add your 3 bands onto the side. You'll decide that it's long enough, and at that point you don't need to slide it down. All you need to do is pull one of your border bands through all 3 bands on your hook and close it off. Then you will add your easy clip or C-clip to this band here, and you will have your cute completed mini new bahru bracelet. Again, if you decide to make one of these, I would appreciate it if you would tag me and Sleeplessloomer both. We would love to see your color choices and your renditions. Also, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I do put a whole lot of time into these and trying to really make them good and understandable for you all. So a like and subscribe would be awesome if you have not done that yet. And also, do not forget to use the hashtag mini new bahru bracelet if you post your creation over on Instagram. And until next time, guys, bye.